Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about the growing of organic potatoes. We all love eating potatoes as a vegetable, chips and fries, but we always buy them from grocery stores. Instead of buying potatoes from grocery stores, they can be easily grown from small seed potatoes in organic gardens or in the pots. Potatoes are called organic potatoes when they are grown using plant and animal based organic fertilizers like compost, manure, worm castings, blood meals, bone meals instead of using synthetic inorganic fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate, ammonium phosphate, superphosphate and potassium sulfate that are generally produced from byproducts of petroleum industry. Also, in organically grown potatoes, seeds and diseases are controlled using biological control agents including predatory insects like ladybugs, parasitic wasps, and entomopathogenic nematodes instead of using toxic synthetic chemical insecticides and fungicides. So, when is the best time to plant potatoes? Since potatoes are a cool season crop, it should be planted 2 to 3 weeks before last frost in early spring when soil temperature is between 50 and 55 degree Fahrenheit and soil moisture between 60 and 80% of field capacity. So how to plant organic potatoes? First, order the seed potatoes that are certified as organically grown and free of pests and diseases from reliable sources 2 to 3 weeks before actual planting date. The size of potato can be as small as golf ball or larger size potatoes with few eye buds on each seed potato. As potato plants grow best in full sun, select sunny area for planting potatoes. Then cover the planting area with compost layer and well-aged manure that will provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, manganese, sulfur, etc. for the healthy and proper growth of potato plants. Then mark the area, the planting area with 5 to 7 centimeter deep and 15 to 30 centimeter apart rows or dig holes at the same distance for planting of potatoes. Then uh, cut the large size seed potatoes into small pieces with 2 to 3 active eye buds. Then plant whole small size or large size potatoes or their pieces in row as 5 to at 5 to 7 centimeter depth and 15 centimeter apart. Distance between the rows should be 15 to 30 centimeters. While planting, make sure their eyebuds are facing up and they are covered with a layer of soil to protect them from any unwanted frost that affect the sprouting of the eyebuds. Um, Potato will germinate within a week at optimum soil temperature and moisture, and they will grow about 10 to 15 centimeter tall within 2 weeks of planting. Since new potatoes tubers generally grow above the seed pieces or small seed potatoes, make soil mounds around potato shoots using a rake when the plants are about 10 to 15 centimeter tall. Again, after 2 to 3 weeks, increase the size of the mound by pulling the more soil with the rake around the potato stem without damaging roots and stems. Um, Soil mounds help grow more potatoes in the ground and increase the potato yield. Make sure the weeding is done regularly if necessary. Spread another layer of compost or manure 15 to 20 days after planting for maintaining optimum nutrient level in the field. To maintain the optimum moisture level in the soil, irrigate potato field often if required. Depending upon the variety, potatoes can be harvested anytime after flowering or within 50 to 60 days after planting. However, the main sign of harvesting uh, mature potatoes is when plants start turning yellowish brown and dying. Potatoes, potatoes can be harvested by losing soil around the plants and then pulling them out of the soil. You can use shovel to dig potatoes, but make sure they are not damaged. Clean harvested potatoes and then store them in cool place until used in cooking. Visit bugsforgrowers.com to gain practical knowledge about organic growing, insect pest control practice that does not harm people, plants or pets, to read blogs on biological control of insect pests of different crops, animals and honeybee hives. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe and share.